Fixing the kayak handle. You'll need something to cut it with, something to cinch the ends of these after you cut these, the paracord, and then handle. I'll usually have the lengths already cut for you, so then you don't have to do that. But in the case that there aren't enough, I have plenty of this paracord. So measure it up, see how big it is. And actually we're gonna do 2 of them. So see how long that is, and right here. So cut it up right there. All right. Now the ends are cut, we'll need to melt them. We got our 2 little strands that we'll be using. If there aren't enough of these, cut a couple, so next time when you fix it, you don't have to go through the cutting and burning process. Thanks. Alright, so this is the case where this handle strap is just ugly, so I'll show you how to replace it. Alright, first thing you want to do is pop this out. So, pointy end in, and it pops out. Just pull it out. There we go. So that's the top and the bottom. And this one's ugly, so we're gonna chop it off. So now we got the handle, the top, and 2 of these little doodads. First thing you want to do is just feed this through. Get both sides in. Over here. Normal loop. And this one's fraying already, so I'll have to remelt that. That's why you always have your lighter handy. Because if the tail is too long, this won't be able to go on very well. So pull that tight. And let's get these ones in. Alright. Just a simple little loop. And another simple little loop. Cool. Alright, so you pull those tight. And then I'm going to melt the ends of a couple of these. They just weren't done right. Be sure not to singe the middle of the cord, or else you have to redo this whole process. Make sure it's nice and melty. Alright, so now once those are all done, flatten them all out so that this whole thing can go on. and then you just push it straight down. Snaps. Done.